Ganda yun, see? Hintay sa ako. Kayo ang langit lang. Ito, kaya...
Sarap naman. St. Joseph Church.
Naparta. Kasla tayo ba po?
Ito pa ba?
Good morning, brothers and sisters.
Yes,
welcome to St. Joseph. Let us now pray for the intentions offered in this Mass. For the souls of Ray John Liprano, Jose Abreu, Godifreda Abreu, Angel Abreu, Vicente Palatao, Fidelisa Palatao, Joybel Palatao, Edwinson Palatao, Maria Palatao, Alfonso Palatao Sr., Feliciano Gabriel, Magdalena Gabriel, Arnold Gabriel, Susana Ayad Mata, Jeanette Ayad Mata, Pacifico Pinson Mata, Olivia Bautista Mata, Gloriano Deza, Lorna Dicos, Anselma Licos, Marlon Gaba, Celso Parizales, Mr. and Mrs. Eddie Ann and Stefan Bais for wedding anniversary, Andrea Liwanag and family, and Josephine Kepa and family. For fast recovery of Par Asher Alpay, Stephanie Sancha Azores, Francisco Bayatan Sr., and Arturo Oculares. Again, good morning, brothers and sisters, and welcome to St. Joseph Church. Today we are celebrating the 19th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and our